To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Namaskar, I'm Harsha Sharma and you're watching SciTech, a show where we unravel the science behind everything. We think we know enough about a human body, but then there are surprises that come. Now scientists have found a new organ in the human body. Watch this upcoming video to know more about this new organ and its role in the human body.
Humans, the most unique of all the animals who have mastered the art of living on this planet, and has colonized almost every land on the planet. More studied yet enigmatic, the human body has remained an interesting subject of study as it ensures that we are able to elongate our lives further. From organs to tissues, to cells to DNA, to genes to nucleotides, scientists have gone to every depth to unravel the mysteries of the functioning human system. With the human genome unleashed in 2000, we believed that we now have the key to understanding the functioning of the human body. But now, here comes the surprise. Scientists have discovered a new human organ. These are a set of salivary glands which are present in the upper part of the throat. Until now, humans were known to possess 3 large salivary glands. One under the jaw, second under the tongue, and third one at the back of the jaw. This new set of salivary glands raised the total number of large salivary glands in the human body to 4. Now, doesn't this sound astonishing that a whole organ remained hidden from our sight? How was it detected? Well, actually, these new set of salivary glands were hidden behind the nose. These were discovered by the researchers at the Netherlands Cancer Institute who were studying prostate cancer using a combination of CT scans and PET scans. In this scanning, a radioactive tracer is injected into the patient which specifically binds to a specific protein, PSMA. PSMA protein is high in salivary glands and therefore this combination of scanning techniques was able to detect the new set of organs. After detecting these salivary glands in one person, the researchers then confirmed the presence of this new organ in 100 other people. These new set of glands have been called tubarial salivary glands, as they are present above a piece of cartilage called the torus tubarius. Scientists speculate that glands probably lubricate and moisten the upper throat behind the nose and mouth, and caution that radiotherapy for cancer should be attempted in a fashion that this gland is not radiated as it can hamper the ability to speak and swallow. Well, with this newly discovered, be sure of the addition of a paragraph in your biology books.
Chameleons which change color as per their wish has remained an enigmatic creature and piqued the interest of researchers. While most know that chameleons change color to hide from predators, not many know how it changes its colors. Watch this upcoming video to know how they do it.
We have often called a manipulative person as a chameleon. But do you know that chameleon is not the only creature that changes color? Many other animals like squids, fishes, frogs, octopus, etc. are known to change color. While one of the main reasons that these creatures change color is to hide from predators, some change color from light to dark to trap maximum heat. Changing their color is also a means for some animals to communicate or to attract a mate. Like the various reasons for changing their skin color, different animals have different mechanisms through which they change their color. While animals like octopus and squids accumulate or disperse pigments to change their color, the chameleon, on the other hand, rely on structural changes in their skin that causes light to reflect in different ways, giving different hues of color. In a study that was published in the journal Nature Communications, scientists have found that chameleons have two thick layers of iridophore cells. These cells have pigment and reflect light. Iridophore cells have nanocrystals of different sizes and shapes. When the skin is in the relaxed state, the nanocrystals in the iridophore cells are very close to each other, and the cells specifically reflect short wavelengths, such as blue. Whereas when chameleons are in the excited state, then the distance between nanocrystals increase, and pigment cells reflect colored light of longer wavelength, such as red, yellow, or orange. In a relaxed state, chameleon reflects blue light, but as chameleon skin has yellow pigment, blue and yellow pigments mix up to give green color, due to which chameleon is able to camouflage in greenery. Researchers are now studying this phenomena more deeply to put it to use, and who knows, in future we may have clothes or skin like a chameleon which changes color with the situation. Wouldn't it be easier to gauge a person's emotion then?
Time to wrap up this episode of SciTech. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. Before we end, here's the fact of the day for you.
Humans have 79 organs, and various animals have somewhat similar organs. But there is an animal called Trichoplax which has no organ.